Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will be sharing my experience on the SkyWheel in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. And the focus of this video will be answering the question, is the SkyWheel worth the cost? Standing at a height of 187 feet, the SkyWheel is one of the most iconic attractions in all of Myrtle Beach. And it is the largest Ferris wheel east of the Mississippi River. We rode the SkyWheel in February of 2023, and the cost for an adult ticket, $17 or just under at $16.99. The cost for a child ticket was $12.99. After taxes, for a family of four, in our case 2 adults, 2 children, the cost was over $60 to ride the SkyWheel. I was pleasantly surprised once getting inside the gondola to realize that each of the gondolas is climate controlled, including air conditioning. The ride also lasted much longer than I had anticipated, which actually turned into a negative as our children, ages 8 and 6, quickly became bored after about 10 minutes of going around and around and around. Total ride was approximately, I think, around 20 minutes. The views outside of the gondola were quite stunning, as you had a great bird's eye view of both up and down the Atlantic Ocean, the boardwalk, and the surrounding area of Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Although a great view, they did become repetitive as you went around and around and around. The SkyWheel itself is absolutely stunning, especially at night. I think this is when the SkyWheel really does come alive. The SkyWheel actually has over 1 million LED lights. In my opinion, riding the SkyWheel is nowhere near worth the $60 and the time to wait in line to ride it. However, I think the SkyWheel is worth viewing, especially at night. So if you're in the area, the nice thing is this is completely free along the boardwalk. Go ahead and take a walk at sunset, enjoy the sunset over the Atlantic Ocean, take a photo in front of the SkyWheel at night, and save yourself the $60. I just see no way that the SkyWheel is worth the cost, and it is something that I will not be doing again. And a quick look over on Google and Google reviews shows that I am not alone in my opinion that this is completely overpriced. This was actually 3 years ago when the price was only $14, and Daniel comes in here and says it's too expensive, $14 and no refunds if it rains. Come on! Tickets should be valid for a couple of days at least. This should be illegal. Another thing to note is that the SkyWheel is completely cashless. Someone actually had a seagull run into the window. Fortunately, that did not happen to us, but if you're looking, they paid almost $80 here. Sweet Burrito brings up a good point in the Google reviews also. They paid $80 for 4 people, and they couldn't even get a free picture. That is another thing. It is completely set up like a tourist trap. When you come off the SkyWheel, they force you through the gift shop, and they also try to sell you a picture that they take before you get on the SkyWheel. When we were there, they were trying to charge an additional $25 for this picture. In summary, my review is that the SkyWheel at Myrtle Beach is not worth the cost. It is a tourist trap, and I recommend that you avoid it. If you are interested in what attractions in Myrtle Beach I would go back to and are worth the cost, you can check that out in this video right here.